The winner of our manual Mercedes-Benz goes to... Oh boy. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another free car giveaway winner reveal video. The giveaway, if you guys have been living under a rock, ended last night at midnight. We were up very early this morning compiling all the winners, getting everything good to go, but we got them, and in just a moment we're gonna cut scenes to the random generator where we select all the winners. And then later in this video we are gonna call the grand prize winner to tell him he won the Mercedes. He's gonna be shocked, so stay tuned. But guys, if you didn't win this one, it's not a big deal. You paid nothing to get in. It was free to enter. And the good news is we're doing a third and a fourth one very soon. So the third one, what do you guys think? Should we give away the Audi, the Corvette, a Porsche of some sort? We have a few cars in mind, but comment down below what you want to see as the next giveaway car. I wish we could say Ferrari or McLaren or one of the supercars, but not yet. You know, maybe down the line, that's a goal of ours. So, but a huge thanks to all of you guys who joined. There were tens of thousands of you guys. That is absolutely incredible. Blew away our expectations, and we can't wait to do more of these for free. And real quick, I gotta give you a hint on the next video. The next reveal is going to be an insane supercar reveal, a very rare car in this configuration. They only brought 80 of them to the United States. And yes, it is from Italy. It is a beautiful Ferrari. So comment down below if you think you know what it is. I can't tell you yet. You're gonna have to stay tuned to the next reveal. It is so incredibly rare and valuable. I cannot believe we got this thing. So anyway, let's cut to picking the winners. Here we go.
Flashback.
All right, guys, welcome to our house. It is currently 1:54 a.m. So if I look tired, that's because I am, but I'm super excited to get picking these winners here. The giveaway just ended and we got everything loaded up into this random generator. The original one I was going to use actually had a limit of 1,000 comments, so that wasn't gonna work, so I had to scramble to find another one, and this is actually a really good one, no limits. So sure enough, it loaded up like 40,000 comments, 19,000 of which tagged the 3 people, which was required as one of the steps. So of this, it's going to generate those comments, and then from there, we're going to verify that those accounts followed the rest of the steps. So as you guys know, there's one grand prize winner for the Mercedes, but there's 9 other prizes. And then beyond that, we're going to pick 5 more people just in case those people either don't want their prize or don't respond to our DMs or something, in case we need to shift some people up. So if you're prize winner number 5 and number 4 doesn't respond, you now win the thing above you. So it's a big win-win for everybody. So we're going to have a few extras there on the end just in case they get their prizes as well. Okay, Gershon, are you ready for this?
Oh boy.
This start button right down here should randomly generate a comment. It's been loading forever to generate these comments, so they're all loaded now. So once we hit that, it's gonna spit one out.
Oh boy.
Someone's gonna win this car. Someone's life is gonna be changed forever right behind the start button. So I guess without further ado, we can click it. Here we go, guys.
Do it.
In the winner of our manual Mercedes-Benz for free goes to... Oh boy.
All those names going by.
Boom!
Joe Ray.
Joe Ray. Oh gosh. Alright, here we go, We're coming over to the Instagram account. We gotta verify that they did the steps. Hold on, here we go. Oh my goodness, Joe. You may have your life changed for the better today. Let's see, Joe, R-E-Y-Y-Y. There it is. Joe Ray.
Is he public?
Following, yes, he is following us. There
awesome.
We go. So now we're gonna go to messages, see if he, there we go. He did mention us in his story.
Sweet.
And is he following all the other accounts? He is indeed.
Boom, 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 Joe.
He did the steps.
Well done.
This could be the ticket.
Well
one picture here.
Done.
Let's see. He posted on his story. Okay, nothing
Just
about
one
the car.
post must have done a recent purge. A recent.
Yeah. Okay. Well, this looks good so far. He did the steps. Oh, look at the things he's tagged in. Sure enough. Like,
cool.
Looks like he plays baseball or something.
Awesome.
Inglewood, New Jersey. All right.
Sweet.
Holy cow. This could be it. Whoa.
Well, Joe,
okay.
We would call you right now and get you on the phone, but it is the middle of the night, even more in the middle of the night over in apparently New Jersey. So
could be New Jersey.
Oh boy.
But I don't know. See, we're gonna have to message him. Obviously, we gotta verify he's in the U.S. We have to verify he wants the car. I don't know why he would pass it up. You know, obviously he has to respond. If he doesn't respond within 24 hours, you know, goes to the next person. But I think this is looking promising. So we're gonna go ahead, send him a DM. We're gonna send all these people DMs tonight before I go to bed.
Can we send him like a generic one, like you won a little something?
I know. We're gonna say, hey, you won one of the 10 prizes, and he'll be like, okay, well, you know, he probably.
You want my T-shirt size?
Right. He would probably think it's something normal. So, all right, guys, this could be the ticket. So I'm gonna go ahead and message him, and then we'll pick the last 9, 10, 14 people for the last 9 prizes, rapid fire. We got GoPro, so some other cool stuff. GoPro, iPad, $100 in Bitcoin, 5 t-shirts, hoodie, like a lot of winners. So let me just shoot off this DM and then we'll pick the rest. Okay, we just DM'd Joe. Obviously it is 5 a.m. East Coast time. He is most likely asleep, but he's going to be in for the surprise of a lifetime when he wakes up. You know, obviously if he doesn't want it, this number 2 person's gonna get it, but otherwise this number 2 person will be getting the iPad or iPad mini. Not sure what we got, but okay, here we go. Let's see, pick another winner, right? We just hit that again. Does it do it again? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh,
those names going by drives me crazy.
Winner number 2, Luis Carlos
Paiva. Looks good.
Okay, all right. That's number 2. Okay, let's just do these rapid fire. Here we go. Another one. Pick another winner for the GoPro. Here we go. Someone can start a YouTube channel with this. J_Ruiz 869. Once again, we'll just make sure that they're following. Oh, look at that. He's got a 458 in the profile picture, a wide body 458. That's good. He's probably a car guy. Congrats. I love this. Nice variety. Okay, next up. What is this for? $100 in Bitcoin, right? Yeah. $100 in Bitcoin. Here we go. This one's easy to transfer anywhere around the world. Marcin_SS. Congrats. Okay, and here we go. Okay, hoodie winner. Tesla M3.
M3.
Tesla M3.
Tesla Model 3. How do you get that?
Oh, no way. Look at that. Cool, you just won yourself a JR Garage hoodie. Keep you warm while you're supercharging in the Bay Area or something. Boom. Awesome winner. Nice variety there. We got Chicago, California, somewhere outside the US. Okay, last 5 winners, I'll just pop them up on the screen here. Screenshots of their Instagram, you guys see them. And then the 5 additional winners we'll write down too, just in case somebody doesn't claim their prize. Thank you guys for joining this segment. I'm gonna go DM everybody, and then I'm gonna go to bed. Oh.
The next morning.
All right, guys, here's the DMs with Joe. Check this out. He's going along with that he's just a winner. We haven't told him what yet. He's like, I'm very excited. And then we said, hey, please reply with your shipping address, shirt size, phone number, you know, in case there's an issue. And so he thinks he's winning a t-shirt, basically. So he replied with all that information. I'm gonna go ahead and blur it out. I'm not gonna show you, but I'm gonna go ahead and give him a call. I'm basically gonna say, hey, we're gonna ship your shirt, but we're having an error with the shipment. Can one of our assistants call you? So we'll see if he falls for it. We're gonna go ahead and send that message and ask if we can call in 5 minutes, and then if he replies yes, then we'll call in 5 minutes and give him the news. Here we go. All right, guys, we're back at the warehouse now. So we're gonna have Kieran call because I said my assistant or something. So if I call, he's gonna know my voice. So Kieran's gonna call and be like, hey, we're just calling, you know, you never said what t-shirt design you wanted, right? So that's the game plan. Right. That's the reason we're calling him. And then right at the end, you probably say like, oh, one more thing, or Jeff's got something for you. Perfect, let's go. All right, let's dial it up. Here we go. Turn the volume up. All right, guys, here we go. You gotta be silent. T-shirts.
Hello?
Hey there, how's it going? This is Kieran from JR Garage. Can you hear me?
Free car giveaways.
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Oh, awesome. Yeah, perfect. I just wanted to confirm. So we're going to be sending you that t-shirt. Did you want the original JR Garage logo or the box logo, like Supreme style JR Garage logo?
No, I want the original logo.
The original logo? Okay, cool, awesome. Perfect. Well, actually, Jeffrey's actually right here. He needs to talk to you about one more thing before we go.
Alright, sounds great.
Perfect. And it's Joe, right? Just like your username, that's your name?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, well, what if I tell you we didn't have a problem with the t-shirt, and we were actually calling you to let you know you won the Mercedes?
Are you joking?
We are not even joking. You were randomly selected out of 40,000 comments. Your name popped up, you're the winner. Not only do you get a t-shirt, you were the #1 winner. We had to call you on the phone because we're recording right now, so say hi to the video.
Oh, I'm from the video? Yo, what's up, guys?
So you're from New Jersey, right?
Yes, I'm driving home right now. I just got out of work.
Dude, you just got out of work. How does it feel to win a free car?
Literally, like my engine blew up. I'm using my mom's car right now.
Dude, your engine blew up in your car and you're using your mom's car. This is perfect.
Yeah, I'm on the RAV4 right now.
You're driving your mom's RAV4. Dude, this could not have worked out better then. It was meant to be. That's crazy. Okay, so like, how'd you find out about the giveaway? Or have you been following our channel? I saw you entered on the first day. You were on it.
Yeah, I saw. I had my post notifications on, and I saw the post, and I was like, I'm probably not gonna happen, but might as well.
You said it's probably not gonna happen. I mean, yeah, that's a lot of people you were going against, but you won, so the odds were in your favor.
My lucky year, 2020, man. It's a beautiful car.
Oh, dude, you're gonna love it. You're absolutely gonna love it. What do you think? Do you wanna fly out here and drive it back? Do you wanna ship it? Do you know how to drive manual? Do you need the lesson? Do you wanna come hang out with us for the day? What do you think?
I wanna go hang out with you guys, but the thing right now is, I'm leaving on Thursday for 2 weeks. School trip to DR.
Oh, sick. That sounds like a lot of fun. But yeah, we can totally do it after. I don't want to rush you. We're totally good. You know, no rush at all on your part. You still there? Uh-oh. You may have gone through a dead zone. Shoot. Call failed. Wow, dude.
That's
his
crazy.
car just blew up.
Wow.
His engine just blew up and he's
What are the
driving his
odds?
mom's car.
That's insane.
He's so hyped. All right, here we go.
There he
Here we
is.
go. You there?
Oh, yeah.
Yep, hey.
Yeah, I had the speaker on my bed.
We can totally do it after that, you know, have you fly out if you want, hang out with us for the day. And do you know how to drive manual or do you need us to give you a lesson on it?
I've only drove manual like one time in my dad's old Honda, but it was like 5 years ago, so like I think I need to like, you know.
Okay, I mean, yeah, just study up on YouTube videos on your flight to the Dominican Republic and, you know, learn a little bit. And then by the time you get here, we'll give you...
That's a drive manual down there. They have a lot of manual cars.
Oh yeah, dude, yeah, in the DR, you can drive it down there and train for it. Yeah, it's easy, it's no problem, it's a really easy car to drive. So you were always following our page. It's not like a friend tagged you and that's how you found out about it?
Oh no, like the first video I watched of you guys when you took the Viper back to your high school.
Dude, that was 4 years ago. You're an OG.
That's my first
dope.
memory of you guys.
Dude, you're an OG subscriber. That was over 4 years ago now we did that video. Dude, you're a real one. Okay, then this is all working out perfectly. And I saw you play like a lot of baseball or something. Just graduated high school or something?
My freshman year of college, I graduated last year.
Oh, okay, perfect.
Who's your favorite baseball player?
Right now?
Yeah.
Cody Bellinger.
Okay, cool.
Nice, going to the perfect home. This is so exciting.
I haven't had a couple like a month. This is perfect.
Who are you gonna share the news with first?
I'm gonna go inside and tell my mom.
Go tell your mom. She's not gonna believe you. You should like record it or something. I don't know, it's gonna be funny. She's gonna be like, no, you did not just win a car.
Crazy.
Today's your lucky day, this is your lucky year.
Today is a beautiful day.
It is a beautiful day. Where do you work at?
At Costco.
Oh, Costco. Okay, well, just made your day a lot better then, I'm sure. Have you ever been to Arizona?
No, I've never been. I've actually never been to like any states besides like PA, New Jersey, New York, and Virginia.
He's only been on the East Coast. Okay, perfect. Dude, it's beautiful out here. Yeah, we'll all hang out. So we'll touch base. We'll keep in touch. You got our number now. So let's keep in touch, but go share the good news. We can't wait to meet you.
Thank you. When is this video going up?
Within a couple days or something, the video will go up.
Alright.
Cool. All right, so stay tuned for it. Okay, thank you so much. Congrats once again, and we will see you soon. Yep, you're welcome. All right, see ya. Bye.
Wow.
Boom.
Dude, you just made his day.
Dude, we just made his year.
Dude, you just changed his life.
He hasn't had a car for a month because his engine blew up.
His engine blew up. What are the odds?
Everybody else we're just gonna DM, you know, now that he accepted the prize, obviously we don't need to pick a second winner. So all the other people we're gonna DM, and obviously if they don't accept their prize or don't respond, then everybody shifts up. So if we'll keep everyone posted. Can't wait for the next one. If they're watching right now and think, oh, I can never get lucky, like, bro, that's what he thought.
Lucky. Jeffrey's giving away more cars, so
Maybe that Ferrari right there, Casey. Should we give away the Ferrari?
I think you should.
Okay.
100%.
All right, 100%. Maybe an exotic next. So go follow the page because we got car giveaway number 3 dropping soon. All right, see ya.
Peace.
That it feels right.